Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone adding in some mirrors to their wall. Great way to elevate the space. Wow, she did an amazing job with that. And then here we have a moss inspired DIY. So she did moss and succulents for that one. I love how she decorated the staircase. I might have to try that one out. So then we move on to the next one. Now this one features a carton. So she's adding some wooden pieces here. Looks like she's making some kind of animal. Oh, a giraffe. Oh, this is really cool. So what is this acting as? Oh, it's a little planter, I think maybe. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's adorable. Love that idea, and I like how she made it white and gold, or like white and bronze. Very pretty. So then we have someone attempting to make their own floral centerpiece using dollar store items. Believe it or not, like floral decor can be pretty pricey, so finding a way to make your own is definitely a good way to try something new without spending all your money. Oh wow, she did an amazing job with that. Those florals looked so realistic too. So here's another dollar store DIY. Seashell plate. Now there's a few different ways that you can just kind of play around with this particular DIY. So she just simply spray painted that. Wow, that actually looks really pretty. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. That'd be a simple DIY to do too. Like you're basically just taking it and then spray painting it. Nothing too complicated. Yeah, that was so cool. I love that DIY. And you can take like, you can do like several different colors for that. Really cool. Then we have someone making like their own coffee mugs, coffee glasses. This is making me want some coffee. They're so cute. They look like, I don't know, coffee shots or something. Like, I don't know. They just look really good. So here we have someone making a vase. I feel like it can be a hit or miss with these types of projects. Ooh, it cracked. Oh, that sucks. You know what would be cool? they could like outline the cracks. I think that would have been really cool with like different colors or something. I don't know, that's just what my mind thinks. Ooh, I love this color scheme. It's so nice and girly. The light pinks and the golds. Oh, I love this whole vibe. So pretty. Look at that dining room table. That just looks amazing. Their whole home just looks gorgeous. Okay, so they're stacking a bunch of mirrors for this one. Whoa, are you kidding me? This is from the dollar store. This is amazing. Wow. Unreal. These are like the most beautiful gold plates I've ever seen. Oh, so this, oh wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed these DIY project ideas featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.